What is up, A-Team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day, or not, depending on where you're at, but I hope it is awesome. And yes, we are back at it today. We got a lot of things to talk about because tomorrow is probably the biggest day in the history of crypto. I think everyone is preparing for tomorrow. I don't know what tomorrow is going to bring. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know what tomorrow is going to bring. I've been looking at indicators all night, all day, trying to figure out how it all makes sense, trying to figure out the best areas to buy for myself, for swing trades. There's a lot of things going on. And to be honest with you guys, it's just so much mixed emotions with what's going to happen. Because again, excited that we're going to be having a pro crypto president and administration. On the other side, indicators have shown that, we're a little mixed right now. And I don't know what tomorrow is going to bring. I really don't know what tomorrow. Now with the whole Trump coin coming out and obviously taking over the entire crypto space, everyone is talking about the Trump coin. Again, you guys know I don't really talk about a bunch of meme coins. But the Trump coin that's out here right now is a little bit different than any other meme coin out here. I think we could all probably agree with that. Even if you don't like meme coins, even if you don't want to invest in them, we could all probably agree that the Trump coin that just dropped on Saturday is different than anything else out there. Nothing like this has ever dropped before. So this has kind of thrown a bit of a, you could say a ripple, and no pun on that, a ripple into just where everything's going. And I think it's kind of crazy. We'll look at some indicators today, let you guys make your own decisions on it. I'll show the good side, the bad side. We can see like the positive of what tomorrow could bring, the negatives of what tomorrow could bring, and then you guys can decide what's best for you and your portfolios. But the good thing here is that a lot of us have been buying up the charts throughout the last month or two. And so it doesn't really matter. A lot of us are fully invested in this, and we're just ready for whatever tomorrow brings, whether it's good or bad, whether the charts go up, whether the charts go down. We've all been prepared for it, and I just can't wait for it. So let's jump in here. I want to say what's up to everyone. I'll show the chart while I'm looking at it here. Let's say what's up, everyone here. I did see someone came in here hot with a nice membership before I jump on here. I want to say what's up to that right here. Well, where'd it go? Show me the money. Welcome. You are now officially a member of the A-Team. Thank you very, very much. And welcome, man. Thank you. Definitely go jump in that Discord. I want to say what's up to Big Watch. What's up, Big Watch? What's up, Highway Nikki, Jimmy, Craig? Good to see you guys. We got Tim Shea. We got the Mayor of Crypto in the house here. We got Chris. Good morning to you, sir. Good morning to you, sir. Dangerous Dave. What's going on, buddy? If I missed any of your comments, as you guys know, I will catch you at some point during the live. I'll try to, at least, because you guys are already chatting it up. I don't even know if I actually put I don't even know if I put the sub only on here. I did, because sometimes it's really hard to keep up with you guys. And today's a good day, man. I feel rejuvenated today. I don't know what it is. I think it's because HBAR came down into a nice buy zone in the middle of the night, hit a nice little limit order for me. And I think that's probably why I feel really good, is that I finally entered back into the market on a nice one. Again, didn't put everything on that one, because there's like a part of me that feels it could go down a little further. I might have to DCA my way into a position. So, but I did go into the buy zone. I did listen to Fibonacci on that one and jumped in at the 50% mark on the fib. So again, we're seeing those right now. And if anyone jumped into Chainlink has been doing phenomenal right now. So yeah. What's up, Zach? Borishito, what's up, man? We got Inez. What's going on, guys? All right. Let's scroll down. There was I thought I saw right here. Billion Right, dude. Thanks so much for the $5, dude. Like the live. It takes 2 seconds and helps Austin reach more people. Appreciate you, buddy, as always. My TikTok guy, this guy came over from TikTok. I got a few people coming over from TikTok. As you guys know, TikTok was knocked down. Still can't get on there, but they're looking like they're trying to make a comeback here. So we'll see how that all works. It's definitely different. Yeah, this is definitely a different one. I would agree with you, One American Patriot. My Ultra Journey, what's up, buddy? What's going on? Yeah, it's good to see Cool Cat in the house. Cool Cat. Yeah, appreciate that. What's up, Tony? Let's see here. We got Darius Coleman, dude. Thanks so much for the $10, dude. Bought Trump coin at 31.39 after five yesterday evening. Now down double my money. Sold SHIB, Crow, Sand, 764 loss from 2,500. Damn, bro. Now up to 1,500. So yeah, see, you can have your ebbs and your flows, man. Your ups and your downs. The Trump coin that's out there, Trump official, has been wild, dude. Obviously I bought it at $12. I went on Discord, said I bought it $12, and I went and bought it like $30 yesterday. And yeah, it's, again, it's for fun. Like I said, this is kind of a different story. Again, I don't really talk about it, but I think the Trump meme coin is just a different ball game. It's a totally different ball game. Yeah, I'm up to like $1,600 right now. So, pretty happy with where it's at, and we just keep plugging along. So, let's go, Brandon. Yeah, you guys are funny, man. But then thanks again, Darius, for the $10 donation to the channel. So let's jump into it here. So we have some things to cover. Obviously, Bitcoin is still on the rise. You can still see here based off the Fibonacci. One thing I want to point out is this green line is obviously Inauguration Day. Let me get rid of this one right here. You got Inauguration Day tomorrow. Probably one of the biggest days in crypto. I can't wait. I'll be streaming. I'll probably start at like 7 a.m. in the morning and stream throughout all of Inauguration tomorrow. It should be done around 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, I think, is roughly where it's at. So we'll see where the charts go. We'll continue to monitor it. But you can see Bitcoin still on a rise coming into tomorrow. This will break the trend from, as you guys know, we were looking at the previous trends. The first 2 weeks would be red going into Inauguration Day. So the last 2 inaugurations, that's sort of been the trend. I think broke from this unless some crazy thing happens tonight and there's some like massive liquidation in the market, which is like, again, I think that would be crazy if that happens. Not unheard of. We actually saw it right here. This is where we saw a major liquidation in the market when it got out to its all-time high of 108. So again, can this happen tonight? I don't know. Who knows who's pulling the strings behind the scenes here. But right now, everything is looking pretty good and looking like we're going to break away from history on that one. So that's kind of cool. The one thing I wanted to point out here is that if you look at this, I put up the 3 different things here, is that this is the first time we actually on the day chart have been up in been above the 80% on the RSI. All the other ones on Inauguration Day, this is in 2017, we were actually at the bottom of the RSI. And as you can see, after Inauguration Day, we actually trended down almost 40% trend down in 2017. So you can see that right there. That was where 2017 was. So even though Trump came into office, there was a downtrend in the market. We can go actually look now at 2021 when good old Biden came into office here. You could see that we actually came into office and we were at the bottom of the RSI. And you can see we had basically a 20% downtrend in the market on Inauguration Day and the day after. So when looking at this, again, I'm not going to sit here and say the history can repeat itself, but it's just something to watch out for. Again, I don't want to be a bear in the market because we're all been super bullish on this, but it's just new people entering. Again, enter with caution. Realize that you might have to work your way into a position, even if you bought today, even if you bought HBAR today at 33 when it dipped down into the level. Just realize that you might have to DCA your way into position, especially if you're new entering into this market. There can be fluctuations, and tomorrow is a perfect day where it's unpredictable. We don't know if it's a buy the rumor, sell the news event. We don't know what the whales are going to do. We can only try to anticipate that. And if you are new, like I'm saying, you started buying this week or you started getting into crypto a couple weeks ago, and you're sort of in this like area of where you're only up, maybe 5 or 10% or maybe even 15%. Just realize that if you bought today or you buy tonight, you might have to DCA if it actually were to dip. Maybe you don't have to DCA it. Maybe we continue to rise on up, and that's fantastic. Everyone's happy. But again, I just want to make sure people are aware that the previous years have shown that we've actually taken anywhere from a 20 to 40% dip in the market after Inauguration Day, at least the last 2 inaugurations. So those are some things to at least think of. Again, we're in a different scenario here. I do want to put that out there. Completely different scenario. Back in 2016, crypto wasn't really talked about. No one really cared about crypto in terms of Trump's administration. Then 2021 came around. We obviously had Biden who came in and was really restrictive on crypto. Now we have obviously a president coming back in and Donald Trump, who is launching his own meme coin 2 days before he comes into office. And the meme coin has become probably the fastest growing meme coin in the history of crypto at this moment. So fast that it's actually, I think it's actually almost on the verge of topping that of SHIB, as you guys can see right here on the chart. Not that I want to, it's right here, number 16, dude. It actually just jumped SHIB, as you guys can see. So now it's become the second largest meme coin in the history of crypto at this moment. And it's only done this in 2 days. So I also want to put this out here that one thing that's crazy about this is sitting about a $13 billion market cap. The top of SHIB was a $40 billion market cap. The top of SHIB was a $40 billion market cap, and the top of Dogecoin was roughly, I think it was almost, let's actually take a look at it. I thought it was like 75 or something like that, but let's actually take a look at what the market cap was. Yeah, it was 85. 85 was the top of Dogecoin. So again, I mean, just you could realize that hype alone carries these meme coins to levels that you would never predict. And just realize that. Again, I know that Dogecoin is a mineable crypto. There's some use case with it and all that good stuff. But hype alone, just hype alone, can actually bring these things up to another level. If this thing gets onto Coinbase and Binance and Robinhood and allows it to where everyone in the world can actually buy this on every scale, and the hype behind it being that it's Trump that actually launched this, I mean, it's literally on his page. On his Twitter page, over 91 million followers on Twitter, he put out a thing saying, this is our meme coin, go buy it, basically. And it's the biggest FU to the SEC, and it's the biggest parting gift of any president I've ever seen. I mean, this is the biggest troll move in the history of crypto and probably politics. And there's nothing anyone can do about it. What is the SEC going to do about it? Nothing. Paul Atkins probably signed his name on this. He probably owns some. And yeah, I'm just excited for it because you just don't know where it's going to go. So that's why I bought into it. It wasn't necessarily because of anything else other than you got the probably one of the most, if not the most influential person on earth at this moment. On top of that, the most powerful person in the world, in Donald Trump, launching a freaking meme coin, dude. And and it's already grown to the capacity of where it's at. So again, there's probably so much room to grow because there's going to be tons of people that are going to continue to jump into this. You make it easy for people to buy, they're going to buy it. You make it easy for people to jump into it and talk about it and all these kind of things. You're probably going to have a bunch of older generation people, boomers out there that are probably going to jump in and buy this, especially if you make it easy, like on Coinbase. So it's already ranked number 16, dude. And again, all off of hype. And this will probably continue to rise because of that. We could probably see it up here compete with the Dogecoin because of the hype alone on there. All it takes is Elon to probably make one tweet about it. And next thing you know, this thing is going to go crazy again. So yeah, this is just some wild times. I don't think we've ever predicted this. I never would have predicted that Donald Trump would actually launch a meme coin and it go to the levels of where it's at today. I'm going to be open and honest about that. I never thought that would happen, but here we are today. And, people are thinking that this could be a negative impact on the market. I don't think it's going to be a negative impact on the market because you got the most pro crypto administration coming into office. I don't think we've had something, I don't think we've ever had that. We had never had this before. And I think that XRP and Ripple are going to obviously prosper from this. There's just so much things coming out. I have so much emotion going into tomorrow. I think it's going to be great. And what's up, Core? Good to see you, buddy. Shannon, what's up, man? Good to see you as well. TikTok is back up. Is it back up now? I was looking before I got on to see if it was back up, but 40% in 2 months. Take the info. Just throwing up around. What do you say? What are you saying, Funk? 808 memes. What's going on, buddy? I DCA into HBAR too because A team. Yeah, so let's take a look at HBAR. I was looking at this morning. HBAR is obviously kind of been. I told you guys, kind of been my. I have a ton of XRP, my third largest bag. My goal was to build up HBAR, and I told you guys that again, if it starts to dip into this green area here, this is technically a buy zone based off Fibonacci. We dipped down to the 50% marker right here at the 32 cent mark. That is only, I mean, we're buying this on average at 31 cents, just like literally weeks ago. And so this is a deal, dude. I mean, honestly, 32 cents is a deal compared to where it was, right? And also projecting of where it could go. You can see right now that it's actually coming up to fill up this fair value gap that it left open in the market when it actually sold off yesterday. But here we are. The thing is that we are actually at the bottom of the 4 hour. We're at the top of the 12 hour still. So I think that there actually could be some more opportunities here. We'll see. Tomorrow's going to be an interesting day. The day chart actually showed green for the first time. This was actually red. But you can see this dipped all the way down to 32. And it was actually a nice little swoop in and buy. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. XLM was on the verge of reaching in there too. I thought we were going to actually get into this green area. I hope we're going to get down to like the 43, 42, but it didn't get there. And XRP, obviously dipping back down. It didn't dip as far as I thought it would. So again, I'm holding off on XRP and I'm focusing on the ones that actually hit my indicators here. So again, HBAR hit my indicator. So this is actually a good buy zone right here. Everything else is still over purchased at this point. So again, I'm probably holding off on there. I'm trying to find the ones that fall into my areas of good buys and riding those. So that's kind of where I'm at. Let's see here. That one guy, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Big Mike coin has 10-inch gains. Thank you so much for the $2, man. You're wild, dude. Shib Army in the house here. What's up, bud? Trump is activating TikTok in a few hours, is what I was told. Yeah, I went to click on it and it wasn't up yet. But yeah, it's gonna be I think TikTok's gonna come back. I mean, let's see here. Yeah, it's still disconnected, no internet connection. So yeah, still looks like it's down. But thanks again for the $5. Appreciate that. Inca Sam, what's up, man? Wild Dog, what's going on, dude? 40 back in at the 332 level and made money. Yeah, that's good, dude. Nice little swing trade on there. I think it's up 4% right now, or it was up earlier. It was up 7%. I think if you were able to get on HBAR down here at this buy level, you could actually swing trade it right now, up almost 8% as of right now. So that's a nice little swing trade on the HBAR, or you can hold it until tomorrow. It's up to you. Definitely set my stop loss. If it comes back down, hits a certain level, sell that, maybe buy back in if it dips down even further. So nice little chances to make some money off this today and into tomorrow as well. Let's see here. Trump is pumping a DeFi coin on X, but it's only for accredited investors. Yeah, I would agree with that. Let's see here. Sorry, you guys are, I went on a tangent there and not keeping up with the chat here. So sorry about that. You don't have to like Trump, just make some money. Yeah, you don't have to like Trump at all, right? Yeah, just make some money off of it. I mean, that's what a lot of people are doing. I mean, I think I saw Dave Portnoy say that he woke up at like 5 a.m. in the morning, sold it, made a couple million or something like that. I was like, gosh, dang, dude. The rich just keep getting richer. 1.7 watching, only 200. I appreciate you, Inco Sands. Yeah, hit that like button, please. Gabe, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Thoughts on the newer Dogecoin coin coming out soon? I have no idea what that is, Gabe. I'm assuming that's probably a meme coin that's out there. I have no thoughts on it, but I do appreciate your $2. Yeah, XRP and XCN. Yeah, they seem to be doing pretty well. James, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very, very much. Welcome, welcome. My TikTok is back and working. Interesting. I wonder why my TikTok isn't back and working. Maybe I need to like reset it here. Hold on. Let's see if I reset and go back in. Yeah, it's showing my profile is up. My profile is up, but like, oh, there it goes. Hey, it's back up and working now. Cool. Awesome. That's awesome. It is back up and working. Trump making millionaires before he even takes office, dude. I know. It's probably the biggest stimulus check that he could possibly give anyone. What would be included in the US crypto reserve? Do XRP? Yeah, I think XRP could probably be in there. Yeah, I definitely think it can be. So I want to point this out here that here's where we're at. We're at the pre-halving. We obviously went up here, and now here's where we are. So this is basically 2021 to 2022. It's really showing here where we had where basically the bear market happens. So it's showing that roughly the bulls were 12 bars, 365 days, 17 bars, 518 days, 18 bars, 549 days. So you can see that there's basically a certain amount of days in here for it to actually get out here. So, I mean, we'll see how many more days are left. We're probably roughly about 200, almost 300 days. So maybe even into, we could even extend the bull market is basically what this is saying. So we'll see how far this goes for the bull market, which is kind of cool. Trump made your memes cheap one last time. That's true. He did. Dawson, do you see a last dip tonight in XLM before tomorrow? It's so hard to say, man. Like I said, I like to look at the history of things here. Again, I'm trying to be very bullish with this, but again, there's the risk side of me that always plays in my head. You can see, like I said, I mean, we dipped back in 2017. We definitely dipped back in 2021. Again, we're in different scenarios here, so it's just really hard to judge. You know what I mean? Just be prepared. If you're entering right now or into a swing, you just got to be prepared for there to be a drop tomorrow. There might not be any drop tomorrow, and it actually could go up. So I'm just saying, have some dry powder on the side to where if you have to DCA into a position, you can. Just always prepare yourself, because you just never know what these markets are about. Again, when you're looking at this, you can see that we were at the bottom of the RSI down here and continued to be down here before we had our breakout here back in 2017. In 2020, we were at the bottom of the RSI, which allowed us in basically a week to come back out and build back up where we were here. This is the first time where we're actually looking at it. We're at the top of the daily RSI, and we are over purchased at this moment. How far does this go? I don't know. can we continue to go up? Maybe. We're already maxed out at 100. So this is already maxed out at 100 as of today. It's maxed out at 100 right here. Usually when it maxes out at the 100, we have a little bit of a downturn. You can see right here where we continue to ride up, but we didn't max. As soon as we hit the 100 right there, we came down, and we're at the 100 today. So like I said, just always look at both sides of it before you put your money into a market. That's all I'm trying to say. Not being bearish, I just think it's important to protect your investments. So be prepared, on both sides. I think Trump coin is great for crypto exposure. I think so too. Yeah, it's always, that's what happened with SHIB. SHIB brought a lot of money into crypto. Paul, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very much, my friend, and welcome. XRP is going to pump hard tomorrow. Yeah, there's some signs out here. These ones look a little bit different here. So here's XRP, right? It would be nice tomorrow for the XRP to actually come down today. This is what I'm saying. I would like XRP to come down to create this versus being up here, because again, we're already almost tapped out. We're at the 92 here. We could probably play this level right here, which is what we saw right in here, which would be nice, right? You go look at HBAR. HBAR is on its way down today as well. Again, it'd be cool if we came down here at least to the 50 and then bounced up. That's what I was hoping with XRP. We'd come back down to the 50 and bounce back up, sort of like what we saw right here, where we went on this nice little run. Then we came down, we settled down, and then we came up. So again, I think that today would be nice if we came down in price a little bit, settled down some more, and then we have a nice little run for tomorrow. That's kind of where I was at with it when looking at the charts here. Same with XLM. XLM is actually right here in a daily, this fill in a gap right here, but this would have been nice. I was hoping that XLM was going to come back down here and hit the 50 here on the fib, getting at the 41 again, because we were buying at 40. So 1 cent difference. I would have been all in on this if this happens. But I do think XLM hasn't had a breakout yet. So XLM definitely is prime for probably a breakout here soon. Again, it's on its way down. So we could have some more. Sell, buying opportunities in here if this continues downward. So we'll have to continue to monitor this. Like I said, I'm trying to be really, really patient with this of where I'm going to enter in. I did jump in, like I said, to HBAR when this dipped down to the 35. So we hit this level right here. And again, if it keeps coming down, if it comes down and hits here into the 31.30, I'd probably DCA into a position here, knowing and anticipating that we're going to rally back up. So yeah, this is going to be interesting to see how this plays out. But XRP, again, showing massive resilience here at these levels. So XRP has been a force to reckon with for pricing. Butterfly, thanks so much for gifting 5 memberships to the A team. If Butterfly gifted you a membership, please say thank you. And yeah, those 5 new members, welcome to the A team. Appreciate you all being here today. Billion Right, thanks so much for the $2, dude. 2K people in the live. Take 2 seconds and like. Appreciate you, Billion Right. As always, man, thank you very, very much for all the support. And yeah, just glad to be here today. This is we're on the verge of history right now. I don't know what to expect. Tomorrow is going to be insane. There was a quote out there on TikTok that said, this is the first time in history that everyone's been excited for a Monday. And I'm like, touche. U.S. Reserve will likely be the strongest U.S. Yeah, I would agree. Ostradamus back at it with the big bag predictions. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. Trump coin flipped SHIB. Yeah, I saw that. Remember the 3 L's: downfall of many wealthy men, ladies, liquor, and leverage. Yeah, be careful on the leverage trading. A lot of it has to do with that, right? Not necessarily if you jump in and spot trade, you guys are fine. A lot of people that jump in and they buy and they're like, okay, I'm down 10% on my bag. So I put $100 in, I'm down $10. Okay, no big deal. But what happens is a lot of people will go out there and they'll put, $1,000 in, and they'll put it on a 10x leverage or 20x leverage, and they'll get completely wrecked. That's the part that you got to be worried about, is that people coming in here putting leverage trades in. It's not necessarily people coming in here and putting spot trades in, because again, you can work your way out of that stuff. You can't work your way out of leverage trades where you get completely liquidated. You liquidate your bag instantly overnight. Those are the ones I worry about the most. The people that are coming in right now, like I said, if I bought today at 314 and this thing were to drop down to 285, I could average myself out of this position pretty quickly, and get back into the profits, or at least break even. And again, I can hold this bag for 2 weeks, 2 months, and eventually get my profit back out of it. But the people that are out there leverage trading and margin trading right now and putting these longs in and hoping that Bitcoin's going to go back up to 110 or 120, it could get there. But the risk is, again, the risk is there where this could actually fall out from, anywhere from 10, 20, 30, or 40% in the market. And again, you can get completely liquidated and or have to pay a lot more. So just be very careful when you're looking at these things. Some people, I always say this: scared money doesn't make money. But again, if you are investing money that you shouldn't be investing in this market, you shouldn't be touching it, right? I mean, in all reality, only invest what you're willing to lose. And that's the motto that we continue to live by here, is only invest what you're willing to lose, especially when it comes to margin trading. So when it comes to our trading here, like buying, like I said, if you bought XRP here at 3, let's say you bought it here at 315 today, you're like, I'm buying it, I don't care. And this thing were to drop down 30% to 325, I mean, you would average your cost out, you'd buy it right now, you'd average it out, and your average cost would be roughly 250, 250, 255, which again is in a decent area if you look at that. I mean, again, will it do that? I don't know. But if it does, you can actually work your way out. We know that this is probably going to bounce back. This is what it's going to look like moving in the future here. Look at, we've gone up. We went from 1 trillion to 2.6 trillion. We went from 18.5 billion up to 160 billion. And right here, we're at 268 days. So if we follow the trends of the previous years, we know that in the long term that we're going to eventually be up here, right? So again, buying in today and it dips down tomorrow, it gives you an opportunity to buy into more tomorrow. You average yourself out, and we anticipate that we can actually, go up looking like something like this, which again, 1 trillion to 2 trillion is 100%, almost a 1.5% X in the market. This one right here was almost dude, that was almost like a 8X. Yeah, almost an 8X in the market right there back in 2016. So again, we probably won't have that big of an X, but we do know that there's going to be, even though with the downfall, if there's a downfall tomorrow in the market, we could still work our way out for a nice little run before probably March, April, before we have a nice little downturn, which we see in about March, April, we have downturns in the market. At the end of every quarter, it seems like we have a little dip in the market based off trends. Let's see here. Where should I buy Trump coin? That's good, dude. Trump coin's one of those ones. I mean, honestly, it's emotional trading. So it's really up to you, man. There's no way to really gauge or even try to TA it. It's emotional trading, and at this point, it's so new that that there's literally, it's impossible to try to TA this thing. If someone's out there TAing it, let me know. I'd love to see it, because there's just no way you could do it. There's too much manipulation, too much big money in there, and it's too new. I think we would be allowed to have one from the UK here, mate. You're teaching us newbies a whole lot of good things. Oh, appreciate that, Paul. Hopefully that early retirement I said about the other day. Yeah, Paul, I hope so too, man. I think there's a lot of opportunities in this market. I just think a lot of it has to do, again, if you're spot trading this today, I mean, it's not as bad as if you're putting in, leverage trades on this. I think leverage trades are what get a lot of people wrecked in this space, especially if you're new into crypto. It's easy to put $100 in and go get a 10x leverage for $1,000, and then eventually, you could get liquidated out of that position. And sometimes, depending on where you're at, you'd have to pay more for that. So again, you can't just borrow money and not expect to pay your money back, right? I mean, you got to be careful with that kind of stuff. So people lose money in these markets, especially when they're unpredictable and indicators aren't lining up. So that's why I choose not to do, you guys know me, I choose not to really do margin trading a whole lot, just because the unpredictability of the market. I'd rather control my money. Like I said, if I buy today at 315 on XRP and it goes down 30% tomorrow, I'll just, again, I have enough to where I could put in to average myself back out, knowing that the overall market is going to work its way back up. And that's all that matters to me, is that we'll eventually be working our way back up, like we see right here, like we saw right here, like we'll see right here, and like we see right here. I mean, everything, let me get my head out of the way. Everything continues to work its way up. You know what I mean? Pre-halving, here we are. Goes down, pre-halving, here we are. It goes down, we got the pre-halving, here we are. Goes down, pre-halving, here we are. I mean, we know that we're going to build up out of these green areas. So like I said, are you really going to sweat over, yeah, no one wants to lose 30% in the market. But if you're spot trading it, you're fine. Again, if you don't lose unless you sell, you're not going to get liquidated on a spot trade. The only time you'll get liquidated is if the fear of losing more or your own mind tells you to sell that position. Rebecca, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Prayers up for the whole A team and your families. Appreciate that, Rebecca, and prayers up to you as well. Yeah, big day tomorrow, man. We're super excited. So yeah, I'm excited at least. I think a lot of people are. I think the whole globe's probably excited. If we have a dip tomorrow, how far do you see HBAR dipping? Again, I think we'll just continue to follow the indicators here. I mean, there's a fair value gap down here at 29. If we stick to what the numbers are, we can go to 20. Let's just say it goes 20%, 19% is what it was in 2018. That puts it down here at 28. If it's a 30% dip in the market, I mean, we're way down here. But I mean, that's a pretty drastic drop. Doesn't mean that doesn't mean that that's where we're going to have the candle. It could be the wick that gets dropped down there and hits, just like we saw right here, right? Again, it didn't end up. It ended back snapping back up here to 28. But I mean, that wick came down here and hit 23. You know what I mean? This one came down and hit this pretty strong. This is actually a pretty hard buildup right back up to here. But I don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow, dude. We've been definitely buying up going into tomorrow. We know that for sure. And you look at the previous charts here. We bought up going into tomorrow. We had some sell-offs, and then we had more sell-offs. That was in 2017. We go look at 2021. We had a buy up. We had some sell-offs, and going into here. So again, it's hard to say what tomorrow is going to bring because, again, the charts aren't going to match up, but we had a buy up. We're having a few sells. We'll probably, again, could be a nice little bounce up, but then we could have a fall off, which is what trends have shown us before. Trend downward. Trend downward. So, again, I don't know what tomorrow's going to bring. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I have no idea. I think a lot of people there's a lot of manipulation in the market. I think there's a lot of whales in this market, dude, that are trying to just make money. I mean, they put $10 million in the market and, they'll short the markets. They'll do things to try to get people to get liquidated so they can make money off of it. So tomorrow is going to be an interesting day, dude. Because there's a lot of people out there, again, as much as we want the economy to go up, we want Trump to succeed. There's a lot of people out there that don't want that. There's a lot of people out there that are going to short the markets to make it bleed. Again, for messaging or whatever. You don't know what the intentions are out there. I just know that that's typically, you just got to prepare for outside influence. And I think it's important that we, look at both sides. Don't always look at one side. Anyone know why Bonk is going crazy today? Every meme coin is going crazy today, dude. I don't do copy trades. I try to tell people where my areas where I'm going to buy /year. I try to tell people like, hey, these are the areas, these are the indicators. This is where I put this is where I'm going to put my, my buys in. But I don't actually like do the copy trade thing. I mean, I could. I just never really do it. If we have a dip tomorrow, how far? Yeah. Already seen that. Jason, thanks so much for the $2, dude. XCN pumping. Can't wait till tomorrow. XRP, XCN. Yeah, it's good to see your bag. XCN bumping up there, right? Onx coin, I think is what it's called. So, yeah, you guys are doing good, man. And thanks so much for the $2. This is a very exciting time for me because I'm new to crypto and watching how things been the past few months is fun. Yeah, it is fun. Don't get me wrong. This is the time to be alive, right? And as long as you've been accumulating, it doesn't matter. Even if you bought down here at this $2 range for XRP, a lot of us were buying way before this, so it doesn't matter where we're going with this. It doesn't matter at all. A lot of us are just trying to find entry points for swing trades, which is what I'm doing. Strictly just trying to find entry points for a swing trade, not long-term bags. And so again, I'm in a little bit of a different trading scenario than a lot of people here. But if you're trying to accumulate, just realize, I mean, this is what it looks like after Inauguration Day. Last couple of years, right? 2016, we went crazy. 2020, we didn't go as crazy, but I mean, we still went from a 1 trillion to a 2 trillion. Now we're sitting here at roughly, a 3.35 or about a 3.4 trillion. Are we going to double that to 6? Are we going to go up maybe to 7? I don't know, but it's definitely in the realm of possibility here in the next couple of days, if not the next couple of weeks. And this was based off of a week chart, I think. I think this is a week chart. Yeah, this is a week chart. So again, it could take a couple of weeks to get up here, but I mean, we're talking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. So well into Q2 or Q1, and then before we came down here, and this is probably this is probably March right here. And again, we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then this is probably the end of Q1. This is probably sitting here around March again. So yeah, I mean, again, it's gonna be interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's probably around March, right in here, right before it peaked and came down. So it will be very interesting tomorrow, man. I'm excited for it. I don't know what to say. Again, no one can predict what's going to happen tomorrow. I'm in the US and it tells me Binance is not available. Yeah, we can't use Binance over here for some reason. This Trump coin rocks, man. How many want to say? Yeah, the Trump coin's done well. Let's be honest about this. I mean, it's been, we're sitting here roughly at a $13 billion market cap. It's on Binance. It got listed on Binance. You can see that. Hasn't got listed on Coinbase yet. And we just got news coming out saying that it's going to be listed on that of Robinhood as well. So, yeah, there's a lot of things, positivity out there right now with this. Chainlink's another one of those. Gosh, dude, Chainlink has been a way outperforming the market right now. Look at this thing, dude. Look at that. If anyone bought this morning or yesterday morning, right here, and even into this morning right here at like 6 a.m. Look at this, dude. This candle right here was at 4 a.m. this morning, right here at the 50-cent marker on the retracement. Perfect buy-in at 22 right there. Not only did it hit a fair value gap, but it was also right on the 50. So again, these indicators tell you that these are some good areas of buy, and it bounced right off that and came up here, and it's sitting up here at 26. So pretty crazy. You think you'd sell half the gold reserves for Bitcoin? Do you think Bitcoin will go to 90K because of liquidations? It's hard to say, man. It really is hard to say what's going to happen. History's not really repeating itself like we thought. And again, this market's been going pretty good when looking at it. It's going actually really, really good. Which sometimes, again, I'd rather me personally, like I told you guys, maybe the selfishness of me was I was hoping that we'd have a little bit of a pullback before Inauguration Day. I think if we had a bigger pullback here, we'd go into Inauguration Day, I'd feel a little bit more confident. But again, we're at the bottom of the 4 hour, the 12 hours coming down. So we could have some little bit more downtrend. The day chart's also working its way down. But last time it did that, it looked like this. Last time we came down, it did this, right? Came down, hit this 50 cent, hit this 50% right here. Boom, boom, hit the 50% and then bounce back up. So again, we could do something like that too, where it comes down, hits the 50 and then bounces back up again. But looking at trends, we don't do it that too often. The trends don't do that too often. And right here, we did it right here. We could probably look at where that's at. Right here. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah, we came up, came down, came up, came down, and then continued downward. So, yeah, it's too hard to tell. It really is too hard to tell. Let's see here. Good morning, Tall Paul. What's up, bud? Made 70K off Trump coin. Gosh, dang, that's good, bro. Dang, Val, that's awesome. Well, Solana's been doing good, dude. Solana's like, again, the reason why Solana's doing so good is because of the Trump coin, right? The Trump coins made Solana hit all-time highs. Solana almost broke 300, which is crazy, right? The Solana investment's sitting so nice. Just literally up almost 73% in the last 24 hours, in last like almost 36 hours. That's wild to me. That's why it's so important to own these blockchains, dude. These blockchains are the cryptos to own. I know I say it a lot, but Ethereum, XRP, Solana, BNB, even Cardano. I'm not really big into Tron, but you can do what you want. Sui is another one. Again, Stellar's one. Hedera, Toncoin. There's so many blockchains out here, but these are the ones that you really want to have at least these are the ones that when we talk about utility, investing in utility, these are the ones where if anything on that blockchain continues to rise, then you're gonna see this also rise in price as well. So again, having something like a Trump meme coin on Solana has caused this thing to rise up 44% in the last 7 days, which is just wild. Went out of the chat for a bit, but thanks for the covering my question, Austin. Missed my XLM. That's all good, Jordan. Trump is going nuts. Yeah, Val, I'm with you. Trump did it when institutions are closed. That's so crazy, right? Scroll down here a little bit. I'm behind. Making True Money coming in hot with 7 months as a member. Austin, you still happy to be a part of the Soul family? Oh, yeah, absolutely, dude. Absolutely. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be a part of it. I'll give you that. I'll give you that. Thank you so much. Jamin, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Have a ton of XRP at 335. No more DCA. Am I okay? Yeah, 335. I mean, we're sitting at yeah, you probably have to ride it out. You know what I mean? If you have no more money to DCA, and I mean, I think your best case scenario is to ride it out. You don't lose unless you sell. That's number one. So yeah, I mean, I think it's important to continue to probably. I mean, if I was in that scenario, I'd probably hold my way through it. You know, if I overdid it like that. So again, that's just my opinion. You know, if you sell at a loss, you know, I mean, you're not only you're selling for a loss, you know, you're not waiting for the bounce back. So if you believe XRP is going to bounce back and go higher, then, you know, you probably should hold the position. If you, and again, hopefully you invested money that you're willing to lose, you know, meaning that you don't need to hold on to it to pay for rent tomorrow. What time is inauguration in Europe? Well, it's 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time tomorrow. We can actually look at the inauguration calendar tomorrow. I think there was a scheduling for inauguration. Let's see. Oops, let's go here. Schedule. I think there we go. That's not what I wanted. I thought there was a calendar out here. I had a calendar the other day. Yeah, so it looks like tomorrow at 10. I think it's 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Or 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sorry. It's Eastern Standard Time. Sorry, I'm trying to find it here. Yeah, I don't know why I can't find a schedule. I found it the other day. So yeah, if someone has a schedule, let me know. I think it's 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So it'll be 7 a.m. here. Made 1,500 on a 1,500 investment on the Trump coin. Dude, queef, that's awesome, bro. Can you confirm that TikTok is banned on Monday? No, it's already back open. Route 66, thanks so much for the $2, dude. XRP, XLM, XBC, XCM, 4 horsemen. All right, Route 66. Appreciate the $2, dude. I don't want to buy Trump coin. I am aware that I'll get rugged after inauguration tomorrow. You think you're gonna get rugged? You think Trump coin will make you get your rugged? People are starting YouTube channels left and right just to talk about Trump. Yeah, that's probably true. That's probably a true thing. What's up, Hog? Good to see you, man. Those newbies in this chat that think Trump is a rug pull, you have Annabelle, thanks so much. Talk about crypto reserves, native US cryptos. Are you talking like how we're gonna how people are predicting that the US made cryptos like Ripple, XLM, HBAR, Link, and all those are going to be added to the reserves? Is that what you're asking about? A lot of people were thinking that. So yeah. Let's see Trump's. You're showing your bro. Trump vibes have always been bravery. HBAR is serving a different function. It's dealing with quantum hack possibilities. What's the Bitcoin dominance right now? We take a look real quick. It's pretty flat. And it's pretty flat right now. You see the dominance right there. It's pretty flat. So yeah, I would agree, Scott. News is always going to be big. Darian, dude, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome, 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 my friend, to the A team. I meant the same position. Let's see, I'm trying to scroll to the bottom to see if you guys have said. Alan, thanks so much for the $5, dude. I'm up with a lot on the Trump coin 50K. What should I do with it? Do I wait until they list on Coinbase and it pumps and go to 8-bar? I mean, yeah, Coinbase is going to be a huge catalyst, dude, for sure. Coinbase can be a giant catalyst for it. Same with Robinhood too. So I'm holding mine. So to each our own, though. To each our own, though. Push me to $5, man. And yeah, that's awesome, bro. Congrats to you. I'm in. Just a reminder, several people got arrested for insider trading once Trump launched his stock. Oh, you're talking about the social media one when he launched social media, Truth Social. AJT, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you and welcome, my friend. Stop the fake rumors. Trump is locked in for 3 months. Yeah, it's a 3-month lock, I think, on it right now. What do you think is going to happen with Shiba next week? I don't know, man. It's been pretty hard. I would agree. Austin, can you check the percent XRP XLM could possibly dip? HBAR mentioned 20%. Yeah, I was just saying that just looking at previous, we don't know if it's going to do it or not. I'm just saying, there was a 39% dip in 2017 when Trump took office. And there was about a 20% dip in the market when Biden took office before we went up. So, that's kind of what they're showing us now. It doesn't mean that history can repeat itself because, again, history has shown that it doesn't always repeat. But, I mean, it's something to at least look back. That's all we have to look back on history to try to project what we could see in the future. And so just something to be aware of. Matt Korn, thanks so much for the $2, dude. What's your opinion on Trump making a coin on Solana? I think it's great. I mean, like, hey, dude. Teacher, I think it was a real big, I think it was just a troll move for the SEC and Gary Gensler. And to show that these are commodities. I mean, a meme coin is basically, it's nothing more than a commodity now. I think that's what we're going to come to. You can choose to buy it, and if it goes up in price because of the value of it, because other people find value in it, then so be it. That's kind of where it's at. Best platform for trading crypto for me is I just like Coinbase, dude. Where do you get Trump coin? I bought it on the decentralized side. I bought it on Radium. Austin, how high can Trump? I think it could get up to like 60 billion. I think with the hype behind it, I mean, if SHIB, again, no one even knew who the hell SHIB was. No one even knew anything behind it. No one knows who the person is. If that could hit 40 billion and Dogecoin can hit 60 billion or 75 billion, I mean, we know Trump. We know who's behind it. We know that there's, again, a lot of hype. It's the most talked about crypto in the market right now. And the more it becomes readily accessible for people to buy and support the whatever it is that they want to support with it, I could see it. I mean, yeah, I could see it probably getting to that $40 billion market cap. At 50K, better take some profits. I would agree. Yeah, the scammers know what they're looking for. Yeah, scammers are good at scamming you. So just be careful. You just go to the Trump site, get his real address, and go from there. AuzSOME schedule and Discord crypto chat. Yeah, we'll have to do something like that again. CRC, thanks so much for the $5, dude. If you had to guess, we are going to go lower before we go up. What's your thoughts? I mean, I'm just saying that look at both sides. I don't know what's going to happen. That's why it's so important to have a long-term bag, and then have some swing trades on the side. I don't care where this goes. If it goes down, it goes down. If it goes up, it goes up, right? Because we've been building for so long. I'm just saying, if you're new to crypto, the best thing you can do is, if you're entering today, if like today's your first day and you're trying to enter into the market, just anticipate that there could be a dip in the market, and you'd have to probably DCA your way into position. That's it. And if you're leverage trading right now, just realize that you have a high opportunity. There's a risk out there for getting liquidated tomorrow if it goes down in price, especially if you're putting longs on it. There's going to be people out there that play both sides of the market here. There's people out there that are going to long this. There's going to be people out there that are going to short this. It's a matter of who wins. Is it going to be the longs or the shorts? Are people expecting this to be, where we've been pumping the markets over the last week? Everything's going up. You have Bitcoin back at 105. We're look at all the RSIs are telling us we're oversold or we're overpurchased. I mean, every RSI on the weekly or the daily is telling us that we're overpurchased. ETH is the only one that's like sort of like struggling right now. But I mean, XRP is overpurchased, XLM overpurchased, HBAR overpurchased, Chainlink overpurchased, Dogecoin overpurchased. I mean, you go down the list of these things, everything is overpurchased right now on the RSI. Everything is above the 80. And so you start to think to yourself, okay, so if you know, it can keep going up, but eventually, you know, there's going to be some relief. There's going to be some relief in the market. And I guess I was hoping that we didn't have this breakout until, you know, we're talking around like Friday, Saturday you know, yesterday would be when we had the breakout. So going into Inauguration Day, we could just blow through it. But now that we had this pretty good breakout right here, again, going up roughly almost 50% on HBAR, you know, you have to have some relief for it to go to the next step. So is this enough relief? Is this one day enough relief to take us to the next step? I don't know. It could do something like this where we have relief, we go to the next step, right? So we could have this scenario play out right here. One day of relief for the next step. So we'll see. We'll see how tomorrow plays out, man. Austin, check out my caddy in the Discord vehicle chat. Okay, I'll have to take a look at it, Wild Dog. Is it pretty? It's pretty cool. Okay. If you buy crypto from credit card and if you profit and want to sell that crypto, where's the money will go? Is it go back to your credit? No, it just goes. You'll just sell it for. I mean, it depends on what you sell it for. You sell it for Ethereum, USD, whatever USDT, whatever you sell it for, it'll just go back into dollar, and then you can just take the dollar out, put it into your bank account, and then you know, pay off your credit card if you wanted to. It won't go. I don't think it'll go back to your credit card. Can somebody explain what you guys are talking about on the Trump lock? Oh, Trump. There's a what is it? A 3-month lock on. There's like someone owns like 80% of the token, supposedly. I don't know. I haven't really looked into it, and it's like locked for 3 months. So after 3 months, it unlocks. No different than like Ondo unlocking tokens for investors. Same thing. You bought on crypto.com? Yeah, crypto.com. Yeah, I saw that. Do you think Xrp can hit $100? That would be nice, dude, if it could. That'd definitely be nice. No, I didn't change the settings, but yeah, you can these guys are spamming the moon thing. You can put them in timeout. I can't read. I can't keep up with the chat. Sorry, guys. I appreciate the spamming, but it's hard to keep up with the chat of people that are asking real questions. So, let's see here. The spam was ridiculous. Yeah. Sorry about that. Yeah, feel free. Again, I'm cool with you guys talking about cryptos in the chat. It's just hard because there's people in here that are asking real questions, and you know, should we take profits from the Trump coin or hold? I mean, it's up to you on where your positions are with it, dude. With it, Mama AA. You know, people like to take profits and stuff like that. So, which wallet can I convert XRP to? You know, Salmon wallet. I think XAMAN. I think is the big one. So yeah, you could do that. That spam is a badge of honor, Austin. He's blown up. You deserve, brother. Only honest guys in YouTube. I appreciate you, Sammy. But what sucks about it is like, dude, it like that thing went crazy, and I couldn't keep like, you know, trying to answer your guys' questions and stuff like that. Kind of sucks, you know what I mean? Trump cryptocurrency executive order day 1, 42% chance poly market. Yeah, I saw that. I hope the executive order is no capital gains. Then if it's no capital gains, dude, boom, crypto's booming, dude. Better hope you have some. Becky, dude, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome, my friend. And yeah, thank you so much. A billion, right? Thanks so much for the 199, dude. Congrats on 80K subs. Did we just hit 80K? Gosh, dang, I didn't realize it. Did we hit 80K subs? Oh, we did, dude. 80,062 subscribers. Wow, thank you guys so much, man. 80,000 subscribers officially. Thank you guys very much for all the love and support. Finally hit the 80K. And dude, that's freaking amazing, dude. 80K, yeah. Everyone said BTC 85K. Yeah, thanks again to everyone for all the love and support on the channel here. A team has always been strong and continues to grow every day, and I'm super appreciative of it. Yeah, rating means you're a big shot. Yeah, they're definitely rating it for sure. I just put them in timeout. Just had to say, hey, take a 10-minute timeout. You can come back later. Somehow I got convinced to buy into official Putin. Wish me luck. Oh my god, D5. Oh my gosh. So yeah, we're starting to see now XRP kind of coming back up a little bit. Nice to sort of see this. It's coming back up to fill a little bit of the gap it left yesterday. But yeah, it'll be nice to sort of see this. Have you ever used TurboTax? I did. Yeah, I've used TurboTax. Tad, thanks so much for the $2.99, dude. Or sorry, the $1.99. What do you see XCN in the future? I have no idea, dude. I know you guys have been killing it. You guys have been doing a good job, and the market or the chart's been going up. So kudos to anyone that got in there. I don't know enough about it, but probably the future is not looking too bad for it. Thanks again for the donation. Can you explain how to read RSI? Which is basically showing you where the markets are at. And so, if it goes above 50%, that means that the market's starting to heat up, and then you get up above the 80% here. That means that you're in over purchase territory, meaning that the market, the market's hot. And so usually there tends to be a downturn in the RSI, meaning that, people sell their positions and or it cools off. So not that much coming into the market, which causes people to then, trend downward. So you're just really, that's all you're matching is just whether it's over purchased or under purchased. That's all it's showing you and where it's at. What happens when Japan goes live? Good question. Good question. I don't know. No capital gains. That would be insane, dude. That would be nuts. I'm just throwing that out there, but that would be wild. Is HBAR still an entry point? At this point, not for me. Entry point was this morning at 32. Dipped down to 32, almost 32.6. The entry point was today at 4 a.m. You could have got in at 8 a.m., I think, too. You could have still got in. Right. Again, anytime it gets out of the 382 level here, which is right around 7 a.m. this morning, that's the territory you don't want to be buying. Again, when it gets up to this 382 level, that's an indicator that you're now getting into sell territory where people are going to sell. So, again, people buying down here set this limit order, bought it. Now it's up here. We're up roughly almost 9%. Yeah. Yeah, almost 9% right here. So yeah, you could start setting in a sell order right now, which I'll probably do. I'll probably sell it right on this freaking 382 level. Maybe a bit before that. I'll probably put it at this. I'll probably put it at like 34.8. I'm gonna do that right now. Hold on a second. Let me do that right now. While I'm talking, I might as well do it. Give me 1 second. Yeah, that's kind of what you want to do. I mean, it's a nice little return on the day if it comes back down, and maybe we can sweep back in again if it does, have a little bit of a downtrend here. So just go to sell, put in your stop limit. Yep. All right. Done deal. Play the game. Play the game. Yeah, Asian market wakes up here shortly. What happens to Japan? I don't know what's going to happen when it goes live. My invite link's wrong again. Damn, dude. I just thought I updated that thing. I just found out Trump coin is available on Kraken. Yeah, it's Austin. Are you able to see any charts on Trump meme? I mean, I can pull up the Trump meme if you want me to. The free market says all celebrities and politicians will have their own coin. Trump beat them. True that. Amen to that. Yeah, sorry, I kind of messed up the Discord thing. Here, to pin that bad boy up there. Probably have to copy that. Oops. I can't pin it here. What exchange to buy Trump coin on? I think right now, if you really wanted to, I think it's on. The markets are Binance, Radium, Bybit, OKX, BitGet, Kraken, Orca. I think Crypto.com's on there too. So many projects are on fire. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of good things. Frankie, thanks so much for the $5, dude. You helped me out a lot, man. Here's some HBAR money waiting for a chain link entry. 19 would be sweet. Appreciate you, Frankie. Thanks so much for the $5, man. And yeah, that chain link was a really good entry. I know you missed it, but yeah, this is kind of that area right here. This white line's where we bought, and I actually have not sold this. I'm probably gonna, again, I haven't accumulated a bag of Chainlink, right? This is my opportunity to start accumulating a bag. So I bought this, and I'll probably just hold this and see where we go with it. And again, find my areas where I could sell it. But I mean, yeah, today was a nice day to come back in and buy this up again. So Chainlink is fun, man. Yeah, this was I wasn't, when I bought in here, I was still on the verge of, because it was right here. I didn't know whether it was going to actually go down or not, but it's actually done well. What about America Coin? I don't know anything about it, dude. I doubt you could lose anything buying anything today. Yeah, bull runs are pretty easy to make money off of. Even if you dip down, you can just DCA in and it'll come back. So it's really hard to lose money in this space unless you sell, or unless you're leverage trading and you're trying to predict the markets and you get caught. And that's mostly what happens. People are going and putting $100, $200 in a 10x and getting caught. That's kind of what happens. I don't know, Augustine, for Dogecoin Mars. Hey, dude, do your thing, man. It's okay. You have to take care of yourself, man. Also, what program do you use to buy crypto? Just buying it on Coinbase. Why would it dip when he's full pro crypto? Why would it dip when he's full pro crypto? Because you got people, Sam Griffin. The reason why is because you got other people out there that are not, right? You got other people out there that are manipulating the markets. Yeah, a lot of markets get manipulated, dude. There's a lot of people that don't want Trump to succeed. And what's the easiest way to show that Trump's not succeeding? Show that the markets aren't changing, right? There's a lot, dude. There's a lot of games being played behind the scenes with a lot of people that have a lot of money. And so, I mean, the easiest way that you say Trump's, well, look, Trump took office and he's supposed to promise all these things, but the markets are down. Trust me, dude. There's a lot of people that are going to be shorting these things, man. There's a game to be played, man. And if you have the money to play the game, people are going to play it rough. So just like I said, we're small peas and we're small fish in this pond, dude. Tiny fish in this pond. And it's a dog eat dog world doing crypto. So just realize that when there's money on the table, people are going to take that money. Where do you buy HBAR? I buy it on Coinbase, Becky. Coinbase is where I buy it. New to crypto, any good entry points for exit points? That's a lot, dude. Vor. Trump coin not available on Coinbase yet. Yeah, I think it's going to be today. I thought they said today. Yeah, it's Trading View. And some of us are shrimps. That's what I like about that's what cracked me up about Dex Tools. That's what they did over here on Dex Tools. I thought it was hilarious. That's what they did over here. Let's go to the Trump coin over here on Dex Tools. Where's Trump? You can see, look at this. They actually put shrimps. You got shrimps, you got a dolphin. And then you got like a little fish, and then you got whales. When the whales come in and buy, you can see the whales. It's actually pretty funny. But yeah, here's the Trump coin. Official Trump right here. Still looking pretty damn good, dude. Still looking good. Holding pretty strong. All-time high was 76. You can see the buys coming in. Look at the buys coming in, dude. Insane. The buys are insane, dude. Just coming in hot on the bot trading. The bot trading on this is crazy. Look at these trades right here. The buys and sells of these bots, dude. They're just making a killing right now. Buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell. Joe makes if it were true, he wouldn't have won. Fan, it's 79 degrees outside. Damn, that's nice, dude. Did you buy Trump coin, Austin? I did, yeah. I announced it in my Discord the night that I did. And then yeah, I announced it in the night that I did do it. So that was I bought it at $12. And then I came back in and bought it at $30. So I have roughly Let's see where my price is on it. I'll tell you what my price is. Yeah, I'm sitting at roughly, let me refresh. I'm sitting at roughly 1700 plus on it right now. So yeah, I can't be too disappointed with that. See, new to the channel, loving the vibe. Augustine, appreciate you being here, man. Yeah, and thank you. I've taken my double my investment on the Trump coin and still have to do that's the way to go. Stepping into grace. It's good to hear. Fine print on the Trump meme page. Disclaimer: you can't participate in a class action lawsuit if he rugs everyone. Does it actually say that, Adam? Tell me. Does it really say that, bro? That is hilarious, dude. Still a free market for 70 million people that voted. Yeah, it's true. Don't hate Trump. Get Kamala to start. Yeah, dude, that'd be wild. Austin, I'm new to crypto. Is the Trump effect on cryptocurrency really legit? Yeah, it is. I don't think there's any debate about that. I think the effect's real. I think his meme coin launching is kind of proven that as well. Yeah, it'll have the Coinbase effect. The one thing that's nice about this, I'll say this, is we can actually go look. Max supply, they have 9. They basically their whole supply is out there. So this means that their whole supply was actually dropped out there. So when this goes, the reason why this pumped up right here, this pump right here that we saw yesterday, I guarantee you this pump was because of they actually all allocated tokens to Binance, meaning that they bought them at the market. They bought them at market value, and they handed them over to Binance. Because again, you got to provide liquidity to these exchanges. And right now, you can see that the volume coming through here is a ton, but it looks like they're. Tell you the truth, I don't know what their liquidity is on. I don't know what the liquidity is over here for Binance. I'd have to look at their Binance wallet, but we could actually probably do that. Let's actually do that real quick. Let's have some fun. We're going a little off script here, but let's take a look at Soul Scan here. We can actually see what the liquidity was provided and who provided it. That's Jupiter. That's Radium, which again, Radium has a lot. Look at that, dude. Radium has a ton amount. They almost have 2% of the entire. Or no, let's actually go to holders here. Holders, sorry, my bad. Yeah, Binance holds 3. Geez, dude, they hold that much. Gosh, dang. Binance holds roughly $2 billion worth of. So what happened here is they hold roughly about 3% of the total supply, which went over to Binance. So each of these are exchanges right here. So if you zoom in on this, you can see that Kraken holds roughly 0.38. But what happens is all these tokens were released out to the market when they launched. There's no one actually holding these. So what they have to do is the team, whoever's behind this, has to actually go out and buy up the tokens at market value and hand over that money to actually Binance themselves. Or Binance, they made a deal with Binance for Binance to go buy the liquidity for whatever it might have been. So they have to provide liquidity to these exchanges at some point. So they can't just there's no tokens out here that are just dangling out here for exchanges. Some people can set aside tokens to hand over to exchanges for it, but right now they've released all the circulating supply, meaning that there's no dead tokens out there. So that's one positive thing about here. So Coinbase has to come in here at some point and be able to buy up there. So you're going to see the Coinbase effect. You're going to see the Robinhood effect of these people coming and buying up these tokens, and or the dev team buying up the tokens and handing them over to the exchanges. That's why you see the Coinbase effect and the Binance effect, and because people are buying it at market value. So we could see this. There could be a Coinbase effect coming on this, and a Robinhood. So yeah, be prepared. Be prepared. I can't believe Binance holds 3.41% though. Gosh damn, Binance. $2.3 billion. Gosh, dude, that's so wild, man. Coinbase coming up, yeah. Boomer the Ruler, thank you so much for the $5, dude. You were right, and I was wrong about Trump coin on Discord. I went ahead and bought some last night on 349 after you told us SHIB went to 40 billion. It's all good, bro. Because I think we were in there talking, and I said I'm buying at 12. I think we were in there talking about that, and I just said, hey, I'm buying at 12 just for fun. We'll see what happens. I mean, yeah, it's been a ride, dude, for sure. But I appreciate the $5. Glad you got in at 39. You're up almost 100% on your bag. So yeah, kudos to you, man. Doing nothing today. Yeah. Marcus Cunningham, thanks so much for becoming a new member of the channel. You're officially now a member. Welcome, my friend, to the A team. Trump coin is the best way to buy a favor. Probably. Yeah, I'm still holding. I probably won't sell for a while, dude. I'll probably let this thing just ride its way out, man. I'll probably let it ride. If it gets to a $60 billion market cap. If it gets to a $60 billion market cap, dude, we're cashing out, bro. I'm telling you that right now. We're cashing out, dude. We're cashing out. Let's see here. Queef, what's up, bud? Thanks so much for the 199. Oh, congrats on the 80K. Yeah, dude. Thank you guys so much for hitting the milestone with me of 80,000 subscribers on YouTube. I couldn't be more appreciative of that. Thank you guys very much for all the love and support. The next obvious goal is 100,000 subscribers. So I think that's the next thing we push up to here. And just glad everyone's here, pushing along with me every day, man. When you laugh and don't read the message out loud, I will assume it was mine. I can't stop the nonsense if you want, though. No, you're good, XRP Dre. I probably do read. I read a lot of things and probably just laugh at them because I'm not gonna. Some of the things I don't want to read out loud. Trump coin is good if you can find a good entry point. Yeah, well, see, a lot of people are making money off of the perpetuals on this, so that's one thing. Binance opening up to Binance here is that people are out here. They're putting longs on this. They're shorting it. They're they're doing a lot of things on the future side that are making them a lot of money. So you got to think that there's that as well. But yeah, pretty crazy what's going on in the market right now. Yeah, XRP is pretty flat right now. HBAR went up. It's kind of going flat a little bit right now. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. We have about 45 minutes before we see the next 4-hour candle. We've been on a almost an 8 hours of green right now, so that's pretty good. Let's talk about HBAR. Yeah, what do you want to know, man? Let's talk about HBAR. Really liking the community here. Appreciate that, Dominic. Glad you're here, man. Does anyone know what is up with the moonshot airdrop? Yeah, I have no idea what that is, dude. Trump won. He'd be launching any token while in office. He's just gonna be dropping tokens left and right. It's like, we're gonna pay off the national debt with meme coins. All right, everyone, buy this meme coin. We're paying off the national debt. That's the way to do it, dude. Just start dropping meme coins across the globe and let everyone across the world just buy into the meme coin and then just sell it and just go pay off the United States national debt with it. That's the goal. That would be wild. Oh, we want to pay off the national debt? Got it. The Trump website does say Trump memes, as there will probably be more coins coming. Dude, that's so wild, dude. Hopefully it's on XRP next, dude. What if he starts launching on all the US base? So next thing you know, he's launching a Trump meme on on the hash graph, then he's launching it on XRPL, then he's launching it on all these US based, SUI and all these other ones that are coming up. Dude, that would be wild. That would be crazy, dude. Talk about a that's a video. I might have to make a video talking about that. That's a good point, Michael. Maybe I'll make a video talking about that. That would be crazy. That'd create some hype. That'd be more like a hype video. I don't know if I want to do that. Get people all excited and we have no idea what the hell is going to happen. Austin, why the different exchanges show two different prices? CB 73. Just some people are they show different prices, man, because they have different liquidity pools. So that's where arbitrage comes in. A lot of people arbitrage and they'll send money at higher prices or lower prices and try to sell. They'll buy on a lower price to sell at a higher price on another exchange. It happens all the time. A chance I bought good at Trump. Dude, that's good. I see. I like when people are. This is how SHIB was when SHIB was doing this. What we're experiencing right now is exactly what SHIB was like when SHIB hit the market. So everything you guys are experiencing with Trump right now is exactly what SHIB. Actually, SHIB had a little bit more of a build up than Trump. Trump was this is boom, boom, boom. Everyone jumping in, making money. SHIB was more of a slower progressive, and then it hit, and it was boom. But a lot more people made a lot more money off SHIB. I mean, I turned I'm not going to say the number, but I mean, I made a lot more money off SHIB than I will off of Trump. But this is the same effect that the SHIB army went through with now the Trump army. Yeah, dude, you guys are feeling the exact same feeling that we all felt when SHIB went off. That's the easiest way to put it. So a lot of people are making money right now. A lot of people are in good positions with it, and we'll see what happens. Bought 300 pounds worth of SHIB yesterday morning. Woke up at 1,000. Respect, Simon. I said shaman. Simon. Check XRP instead. Yeah, we're looking at XRP right here. HBAR is good. I mean, it was just a good entry point today. XRP is starting to climb back up. It's probably going to fill this little fair value gap it left at 319. Seems to be a pretty strong area up here at this 320 marker. This 320 to 319 is pretty strong. It's a pretty strong area. Let me get this. Let me get the dominance off the chart there. Austin, you're making me hot with the talk about Trump memes on all the coin. Dude, you never know, right? I mean, as soon as he said that, I was like, that makes sense. Dude, thanks so much for the donation, Prashant. Good to see you, man. Hi, bro. How are you? Long time no see. You're looking great. I appreciate that, dude. It's good to see you, man. Long time no see to you as well. Hope all is well. Yeah, Prashant's been, yeah, I haven't seen you for a long time, dude. Thanks again for the donation, bro. XRP is the best entry for today. You know, I'm kind of holding off. Oh yeah, Hawk 2 girl messed up. Imagine not spamming. Doge on Mars coin did good also 24 hours. Yeah. Coinbase has my funds on hold. I can't transfer anyone else. If you're new to Coinbase, yeah, they'll hold your funds, dude, to make sure you have the funds. So yeah, if you're new or you're just loading, sometimes they do that. Like me, I could buy Solana right now, and probably I have like probably $100,000 I could send right away, and because of all the years I've been here. So yeah, thanks so much for the $5. But yeah, that's kind of how it is. Adam, it's pretty nice that we punched that 250 resistance in the face, and now it's like 320 resistance. Yeah, you're right. I'm with you, Adam. I'm with you, Adam, on that. It's pretty crazy how we jumped through that 250 pretty hard. It took us like two weeks to get through 250 though. It took us a while to get through that 250 resistance. Coinbase, basically with Coinbase is that if you're new to Coinbase, they hold your funds for 7 days before you can transfer them into a non-custodial wallet or into cold storage. Hi, Kev. What's up, Kev? My stop limits are not working on Coinbase. Yeah, are they? Why are they not working on Coinbase? Like you said, a stop limit, it just goes by it. Is that what you're saying, Johnny? Austin, are you only short-term guy? What about long? Yeah, no, Cave. I've been accumulating for years, right? I have a long-term bag that I just hold on a ledger. You know, I've accumulated through the bear market, and I've set aside that, and then now I just come in here and just do swing trades for fun while I watch my long-term bag grow, right? So while the long-term bag grows, we're always winning. We come in, we do some swing trades, and we do. I feel like we do a pretty good job in the bull market for swing trades. But yeah, this bull market, we're just sitting here waiting. It's sitting all on the ledger, and we'll ride it out, man. So yeah. Where do most of your crypto news for futures drop? X is a good spot for a lot of that stuff. So you got Trump coin at 125 with the Lifer group sold at 59. I never do meme coins, but this was it. Oh, dude, that's awesome, man. Yeah, that's good, dude. 125 is good. Stop implements are not working on Coinbase. All right. They say technical difficulties, and yes, okay. Well, then then you gotta hover, man. Put a if it's not working. If it's not working, then you're gonna probably have to hover all night. Let's see here. Coinbase allows PayPal quicker transfer. Okay. HBAR going to $1. I hope so. Link's doing great. Sharky, Link's doing great, dude. Coinbase blew past my stop pass on for. Oh, did it really? So it must not be working. Anyone know what time Trump is released on Coinbase? Good. They haven't came out and said. Let's see if we have. There are some other things here. I was going to read through some of these articles here, but it's so funny reading this. Remains unclear on what they're going to go. There's so many critics on this. It's insane, dude. It's so funny. 330% for this. One thing I want to say here: 95 million XRP goes off the Korean exchange into a cold storage. So that's very positive news for XRP. Right here, you have a top Bitcoin maxi who does not like XRP. Actually came out and said that although XRP is not a safe investment, he does think it could go 7x to $24. I'm like, you don't really hear maxis talk, Bitcoin maxis talk about that too often. But yeah, let's take a look at X here. Let me get out of here. Let's see. I think that they were talking about. Yeah, I don't know if there's anything talking about XRP. Yeah, I don't see anything yet. Yeah, I don't see anything yet about it. Let's go to Coinbase. Coinbase assets. Let's see if they mentioned anything here. Asset added to the roadmap today. This was 15 hours ago, but they haven't came out and actually said when that was going to drop. So let's see what the blog says here. Yeah, they haven't gave a time frame. So yeah, they haven't given a time frame yet on when that's going to happen. I'm not new. It happened to me. Let's see, setting SHIB from Coinbase to Ledger. I called and complained. The next week, received a smart contract NFT. Damn, really? Where do you check crypto related news? Yeah, I do a lot of it on X. A lot of it on X, dude. For example, when Xrp lawsuit was dropped, yeah, a lot of the stuff I look on is X, dude. X is the real place to do it. Yeah, Ondo's doing great, man. Ondo's bounced back nicely. I will agree. Ondo's done well. XRP is going to be a banking industry's new software. Yeah, it could very well be. I have no use for meme coins, but since my name is Brett, I feel compulsive to buy some. I'm having trouble with Coinbase too. Yeah, usually what happens, Coinbase seems to struggle a little bit when things start to run. Coinbase seems to struggle. HBAR is about to break into the 360 mark, the 36 cents again. Hell yeah, dude. This is looking pretty damn good today, dude. 32 7. Yeah, we're sitting almost a 10% freaking return right now. Gosh dang. What a day. What a day. Some pulled Trump's profits and trying to you're taking some and rolling it over. Okay. Asked for a friend I knew a crypto should invest in XRP or HBAR. HBAR had a really good entry point this morning. XRP is still, to me, it is in over purchase territory. So, again, I'm trying to find entries where I can make good swings. HBAR was one of those this morning. I said if it dropped anywhere into this between the 382 level and the 618 would be a good buy. So set your limit orders. This triggered this morning. Again, we had one here. I had one also down here at 30. So again, we had one at the 50-cent marker, and I had one down here in the fair value gap at 30. So yeah, it hit this morning, and we're going to ride this bad boy out. We'll see what happens. But yeah, XRP is in oversold territory. A lot of things are in oversold territory. I was hoping that this is going to come down. Again, setting one right here around the 41.5 for XLM, and then another one down here at 39. Again, if it hits there, it hits there. If not, it's okay. But XRP, I still have it at 225. I'm not budging off of my 225. That's my pride. Dude, that's so funny. But the next one is 250. That's kind of my next area if it were to drop down. So again, I'm being very aggressive with XRP on the swing trade here while I focus on other ones like this. So yeah, that's kind of where I've been. Austin XRP will reach $20, and I know you won't sell. It's probably true, dude. I said I was going to sell at $3, and here I am past $3, right? 10x on the investment. So I'll respond. Oh, no problem, Augustine. Wow, the entitlement is real with you at Crypto Noob. Who's Florida Stooge? Who's Crypto Noob? Oh, is there someone in here called Crypto Noob in the chat? Oh, right here. You ignore my post, Flare and Jasmine opinion. Oh, okay. Well, yeah, I own Flare. I don't own Jasmine. Yeah, Flare. We've been buying Flare early on, but I don't hold any Jasmine. I still don't really know the value of Jasmine yet. So, and I haven't had anyone been able to tell me really what it's going to do for me. Again, and there's a lot of people here that own Jasmine. I'm not talking, hey, dude, if you like the investment, definitely stick to that investment. It's done well. Jasmine's done well for a lot of people. So kudos to those that have bought Jasmine. I just haven't yet. So what do you think will pump the most, XRP or HBAR? I'm kind of, I hold a large, XRP is my third largest bag. HBAR is up there too, but I kind of been focusing, like I said, I own a crap ton of XRP. I want to see this continue to rise, but HBAR seems to have bigger fluctuations to make bigger gains. Like I said today, if you got in at this 32-cent mark and it's up right here, it's a 10% gain in one day. So this is really good. Now I have to increase my stop loss on this, which again, as you guys know, I already did. So I'll probably have to move my stop loss up so I don't lose anything on this. And hopefully my stop loss hits now that you're saying it's not working. you recommend buying in now on XRP? I think if you're new to crypto, I think getting your feet wet is the most important thing. I wouldn't be so concerned about, where the price is and all that kind of stuff. I think, just getting your feet wet. Like I said, you might have to DCA into a position. This price could come down hot on you. So let's see here. What's the official token? Is a favor? You think it's a favor? I don't know, Adam. I don't know. I own Jasmy and will sell when it gets back to a decent level. Okay. Bro, what's up with the bots in the comments today? I don't know, dude. I don't know. Sorry. I think I went back and looked. Went back and looked to see if I had the comment section for. Yeah, I definitely have it for subscribers only. So yeah, I mean, it's kind of just one of those crazy bot things today. I don't know. Maybe they found my channel. What do you think about the only DC job vacancy listed on Ripple website, U.S. policy manager? Is that really a job on there? Delighted to see you back, man. Wonder will Trump mention his meme coin on? Dude, that'd be awesome if he does, Jason D. Appreciate that. It'd be awesome if he brings up his meme coin during inauguration. I will fall out of my seat, dude. I wonder if there's a poly market on that right now. Of if he's going to mention there is one for if he's going to mention crypto, but I want to know if he's going to mention his token. No, it's not a bad idea to keep it on your phone. I mean, it's just you got to realize the risk associated with it. Don't be scanning QR codes. Don't be downloading. Don't be clicking on random links and stuff like that. So just be careful. I don't know if it sucked that much liquidity from XRP. XRP's been holding strong, dude. I mean, even through all this, like, this is not that bad. I mean, we're down roughly what? We're only down 6%. That's not that bad, dude. That's really not that bad. I mean, some of these other ones are down way further than that. Irish Red, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very much, and welcome, my friend. 330 is where I'd say decent middle for XRP. 330 would be, you're saying 330 up here? Yeah, definitely. I would agree, Milton. HBAR definitely has some good upside. Love you all. Enjoy some food and football. Yeah, you too, Adam. Take it easy, buddy. Appreciate you, man. XLM or HBAR. I'm kind of in on the HBAR thing, even though XLM hasn't had a breakout. I was telling this people today, XLM hasn't had a breakout yet. It hasn't reached its cycle high. The cycle high being up here at 63. It's trying to work its way out of here. That's why I said if it came back down here to 42, I'd probably buy a good amount in anticipation that we're going to have a breakout with it. To break out to its high. XRP broke out of its cycle high, which was over here on December 3rd. HBAR broke out of its cycle high, which was over here on December 3rd. XLM has not broke out of its cycle high, which happened over here on November 24th. So even on December 3rd right here, we got up to 60 cents. We still haven't broke out. So this is actually looking nice. XLM is kind of like the pattern's really nice right now. This has a good chance to break out. So like XLM is definitely like up there for me in terms of a breakout. So I would agree. If you're new, you're new to crypto, any of those are fine. I think XLM, definitely has the chance to break out next. Bernie, thanks so much for the 10 gifted memberships to the A team. If Bernie gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Bernie. And those 10 new members, welcome to the A team. And appreciate you guys being here. Would be waiting for Trump on Coinbase. Yeah, Trump on Coinbase is going to come out here shortly. What chart are you using to decide when to buy that color? I'm just using TradingView right now. Just TradingView. Do you think there's going to be a dump before January 20th? It's tough to say. Like I said, I pulled out the charts earlier. This is 2017 inauguration day. We had a 39% dump, and it took us like almost it was like almost 2 weeks of a dump. We went downwards for 2 weeks to July, or sorry, this is daily. So we went over here to, oh, that's not inauguration day. What the hell am I looking at? Inauguration day is, I'm like way off on that. Oh, my inauguration day is over here. We had a 34% dip. That's what it was. 35. I was like, that's way off. So you can see right here, this is inauguration day. Boom, boom, boom. Right here. Why am I so far off? Gosh, I'm really far off. So you had a downturn into inauguration day, and then we had an uptick, and then we had a downturn right here. Yeah, so the last inauguration day, which was right here, we had a little bit of a downturn with Biden, 19%. I was way off on that one the whole time. Jesus. I was more advanced trader. I would go into Trump before. Yeah, I would agree. Do you believe it makes sense to hold a basket of all coins or focus on a few? I like to focus on a few, but I mean, I used to hold a lot of different ones, to diversify, but I've slowly, narrowed it down to the ones I like. Dean, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome, 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 my friend. Appreciate that a ton. Yeah, nobody liked Biden. Trump effect will be up. Do you think pump tomorrow will be a pump? Like I said, it's hard to say. I mean, it really is hard to say what's going to happen. Everything is sort of showing. Like I said, last time we pumped out of this hole, we were at the bottom on an RSI. Today we are. Let's go back to Bitcoin here. Today we're actually at the bottom, and this is on the day chart. You're on the bottom. We're at the very top of the RSI, so it's kind of be interesting to see how this plays out, dude. Everything else says that we're at the bottom, right? Bottom of the RSI right here. January right here, we're at the bottom, and then we were working our way up, and we came up and we had this nice little run up right here. So that was nice. We had a big dip. We had a 34% dip before inauguration day, and then we came up, and then over here on Biden's inauguration day, we actually came off a cliff, 20%, and then came up. So kind of mixed results. Now they were both at the bottom. We were both at the bottom of the RSI on both of those times, and now we're at the top of the RSI. So it's kind of mixed. If another Trump meme drops on, say, Sui, ETH, what else could pump like Jupiter and Solana did for this one? You're talking Uniswap. Uniswap's going to bounce. You're going to probably talk about Sushi Swap bouncing. I mean, those are the big ones on there. So yeah, those are the ones that I think would probably go up on the east side. XRP is holding the line. Yeah, it's holding good. Viking Cat. Appreciate you, Jason D. Yeah, 2,306 people watching. Hit that like button. Appreciate you, man. You're funny, Casey. Can XRP do what Solana did in 2021? Yeah, probably. Yeah, I think so. XRP. The only reason why XRP is where it was at in 2021 is because the SEC cut its knees off. Min, I think a lot of meme coins are just pumping right now. So yeah, I think a lot of it is that way. In 2020, we had a stolen election. Just wonder how far it will pump before it dumps tomorrow. Yeah, I'll be interesting. I mean, tomorrow's gonna be an interesting day. I'm excited for tomorrow. I still got to figure out the start times on this. Let's see here. Let's see here. I think it's so the swearing in is expected to begin on 11 a.m. Central Standard Time or 12 p.m. Eastern. So that's 9. According to the Washington, sees security screening gates open at 5 a.m. Central Standard Time. So live special coverage of the day's event will begin at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time or roughly 12 p.m. Eastern Standard. So that will be 8 a.m. It'll be 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll start to see the live special coverage of the day. So that's probably when we'll jump on. Sunday, yeah, you're going to have the swearing in. So you're going to have the church service in the morning, tea at the White House, swearing in ceremony at the U.S. Capitol, farewell to the former vice president. So tomorrow's going to be a big day, dude. We'll be on early tomorrow. I'll probably come on around 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time and go from there. So that will probably put us at what? 7 would be 8. Yeah, it's going to be right around that time. So I'll be on at like 7 a.m. Yawning through this. Can XRP go up to 1-2 trillion market cap? I mean, I think a lot of things can. I think it's going to take some time, but yeah, I mean, even if it gets up to a $500 billion market cap, we're sitting pretty. If you see the same tokenomics on any other project, it's a no-go. Trump is more likely to burn than rug. Yeah, he doesn't need the 80 billion. You know what I mean? Why would he need 80 billion? Do you hold any AI coins? Not really. HBAR is a better investment right now. Very high potential. Yeah, return on investment, lower market cap, and lower max supply. $7 XRP flips ETH. Yeah, it does. That's if you think the ETH doesn't go back up in price. So, is there any meme coin you would recommend? Nah, not really. Pepe. I mean, I am in Pepe from a long time ago, but that's probably the only one I have money in. Outside of Trump, I mean, I bought Trump because of it's Trump, and I think a lot of people were expecting it to do what it's supposed to do. XRP working its way back up, man. Let's go to the 4-hour here. XRP working its way back up to fill this little void. Thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very, very much, and welcome, my friend. It's like Christmas. You need to go to bed early if Santa doesn't pass you by. I know, stepping into grace. Tomorrow's gonna be a big day, dude. I'm super excited. I would be 100% more worried about Trump using that money for relief of fires. I don't know if it'll do that. That Trump coin gonna hit 10K or 8K. I wonder if we can actually pull up the market cap on it. Let's play around to see if I can actually see if this market cap calculator has the Trump on here. Oh, it does. It does. All right, let's have some fun here. Let's have some fun. All right, so let's just say the price goes to. All right, let's say it goes to $100. Let's say it goes to $100. Calculate. That would put it at a 1.5 multiplier from today, and that would put it at a market cap of 19 billion, which again isn't that bad, right? So let's just say it goes to $200. That puts it to a $39 billion market cap, which would put it right where, which would be a 3x from today, and that would put it right where SHIB was at the all-time high of their bull run. All right, let's go to $300. That would put it at a $59 billion market cap, which is right where Dogecoin is today at $300 for the price. That would be a 4.5 multiplier from today. Let's put it at $400. It would be $79 billion market cap, which is the height of Dogecoin at the all-time high for them. So $400 would put it at a 6-time multiplier. And again, we've seen some crazy shit in this place. Cryptocurrency is a place for craziness. This is not outside the realm of possibility. I want to put that out there. If Dogecoin can hit this and SHIB could hit these levels, why can't Trump hit these levels, knowing that he is probably the most influential person, not for everyone, but for most. He's obviously one of the biggest influential persons of my lifetime. He's he's been he's going to be the 47th president. He's going to be the leader of the free world. I mean, it's just crazy when you start to really think about it. Again, you could hate him or like him, whatever it might be, but you can't argue that he has massive amounts of influence across the globe. Everyone knows who the hell Trump is. And now he just launched a meme coin that is anyone can buy it across the whole world. And on top of that, just that alone, all the amount of people that are talking about it. The reason why Doge got to where it was at was because everyone was talking about it. The reason why SHIB got to where it was at because everyone was talking about it. Now you create these avenues where people can buy it and hold it. You can't tell me that it's not going to hit these levels. I mean, I don't know if it will. I'm not sitting here calling it, but I mean, $80 billion market cap for a meme coin is not outside their own possibility because Dogecoin did it and SHIB did it. So I will never discount that. And I think that these are that Trump is on a bigger platform than Doge or SHIB will ever be or ever was. So, dude, if we're talking memes, I mean, you're talking about a meme that could potentially do some stuff. I mean, she's. I'm not saying go put your life investment in this thing, but I'm just saying, I mean, it's I don't know, dude. I don't know. It's the only meme coin. That I'd probably put my money in at this moment. I had a mistake by an XRP. Yeah. Anyone know what happened to? I don't know what happened to that one. Someone gifted me a membership. I can't figure it out. Oh, Deborah, well, welcome to the A team, man. We're going and staying. Yeah. Don't forget to join the Discord. Yeah, definitely. I bought Trump on Kraken and went to $2. Oh, damn. Hey, Austin, did you mind giving your opinion on Bonk? I mean, Bonk, it's an established meme coin, but I don't think it's anywhere near Trump right now. I don't think it'll ever be anywhere near now. I mean, it even came screaming by Pepe, and again, I hold Pepe, but it's like, damn, dude. I mean, it went screaming by, didn't even look back. So even if people are like, oh, it's too high today, it's too high today. I mean, Trump coin is already at a $64 billion market cap. Is it 64 billion? I thought it was only a $12 billion market cap right here. 12 billion. No, you're looking right here. The total market cap is sitting at 12.98. Right here, market cap's 12.98 billion. So the market cap, if fully maxed out, what's in circulation, fully diluted, this would be the fully diluted value right here at 64 billion. But the total market cap right now is sitting at roughly 12.98. So I don't know. Looks like there's only 20% of supply in circulation. So that's probably why. So I thought it was fully released. Shit. So 80% is actually sitting in a wallet. Okay, that makes sense now. That's the 80% that everyone's talking about. So only 20% has actually been released into circulation. So that's probably why it's so high. Yeah, that makes sense now. I get the 80% in a wallet standpoint now. So, but yeah, they could burn the 80%. Yeah, they could just get rid of it all, right, and never be touched. Drew, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you very, very much, and welcome. So yeah, it's from this right here. This is fully diluted. So if everything was out there, it'd be sitting at a $64 billion market cap, but it's not. It's only 20% has been released, so it's sitting at a 16 or $12 billion market cap. So if it all stays the same and they don't release the 80% and just stays at this 20%, then this thing will continue to rise. And I mean, yeah, this thing could definitely get up into those levels because those tokens haven't been released, so they're not accounted for. It has a vesting schedule, yeah, and they could be released, which would cause the price to go down. Yeah, it could be huge, right? Yeah, I would agree. If they come out and release it and they start to put 20%, it will definitely decrease the value of the token overnight, like within an instant. Yeah, I would agree. The first 20% released in 3 months. Yeah. So again, it's going to be no different than like the Ondo scenario. When it gets closer and closer and closer, people are probably going to sell and sell and sell. So yeah, just be careful. So if all 20% are all bought up tomorrow, what are the hypotheticals? No, 20% would all not got bought up because people are going to be buying and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling. But yeah, if all 20% got bought up, they just wouldn't. There's no way. To do well in crypto, you should follow a logical path, but be ready for yeah, I agree, Hog. Oh, we got about 15 minutes until we got the new 4-hour chart here. Current Trump price at 70. The following Trump price points are where he overtakes these rich people. Oh, damn. 270. Trump becomes the richest person in the world at 270 for if official Trump hits $270, he becomes the richest person in the world. That's crazy. What's up, fam? How's everyone? What's up, Brandon? Austin, are you going to hold your bag till the end, or Trump, or are you going to trade some? I mean, right now I have I'll keep holding until everything sort of pans out, right? I mean, and then if time comes, I'll, probably sell. So again, as time gets closer and closer to release, and they come out and say, yeah, we're going to be releasing 20% of it. I mean, people are going to sell, no questions asked. Yeah, that's crazy, Adam. I know you're off stream, but yeah, it's crazy. One of the coolest things about Trump token is that it's going to bring in new investors to crypto. Yeah, it really will. Abdul, thanks so much for the £5, man. Any thoughts on XCN Oxcoin? You reckon it will pump? By the way, you're currently my most beneficial YouTuber. I appreciate that. I don't know enough about it, bro. I should probably spend some time looking at it. I do know it's like ranked like one in the over the 100 mark. So I haven't spent time looking at it. But I mean, a lot of people here like it. A lot of people here think it's legit. It's tradable on Coinbase. So, I mean, it has some legitimacy to it if it's traded on Coinbase. And it's done well. You guys have pumped, and yeah, couldn't be happier for anyone that's actually jumped in and holding it, dude. So kudos to all you guys. And thanks so much for the donation, man. Brandon, thanks so much for $2, dude. Austin, you the man. Thoughts on Sol top? I mean, dude, if this keeps running, Sol's gonna keep running. No questions asked, dude. If Trump coin keeps running, Sol's gonna keep running. It's gonna be hard to manage the top of this. I mean, right now Sol is sitting at roughly, where's my Sol? 268, topped out at 290, 294 in the middle of the night. So, I mean, this could definitely come down and probably find. You can see, look at this. Almost what was that? 2 days ago, we were trading down here. Almost 3 days ago, dude. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days ago, we were down here at 170, dude. It's literally gone up almost $100. That is crazy. Look at that, dude. Right here, the RSI at the bottom, Brandon, just sitting here at the bottom. This thing went nuts. So, yeah, kind of crazy. Killa, what's up, Killa? Good to see you, buddy. Thanks so much for the $5, man. Thanks for the live, man. How much could a Trump token pump if Trump token could pump? Like I said, I just did the math right here. I mean, if it stays with the 20% circulation, they don't add any to the circulation. I think it could definitely get back up here and compete with the highest point for Dogecoin. Dogecoin was sitting about 75 billion. This is at a 400% at a $400 price. That puts it at a 6x from today. I mean, you know, so you go put $1,000 in, you could potentially hit a 6,000. Again, that's you know, there's risk associated with that. Trust me, man, it's not guaranteed here. But if it pumps, I mean, that's kind of where you're at. I mean, 40 billion was SHIB. So even if you did 200, right? I think 200 was 40 billion, right? Yeah, even if it goes to $200, that's $40 billion market cap at this point. It's a 3x from where we're at. And that's where SHIB maxed out at. And I definitely think there's more hype behind this than there was with SHIB because of who it is. So that's kind of where I'm at, dude. But I'm not going to be on the sidelines. I'll tell you that. I haven't been on sidelines. I bought at 12 cents or $12. So I'm like freaking $12 and $30. I'm like, you know, having some fun with it. We'll see what happens here. I'm not going to hold my breath, but I mean, we're going to have fun. I'm going to have fun. It's good to see. It's the most talked about crypto in the space right now, more so than Bitcoin and XRP. Steven, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome, my friend. Thank you so much. And Kilo, thanks again for the donation, bro. I don't have a wallet, so I can't buy Trump coin. Waiting for Coinbase. Yeah, you should just download a wallet, Deborah. Get a decentralized wallet and go that route. But I get it. If you're new to it, it's kind of hard to do that. Hi, bro. I have another 1K to invest. Should I put in XRP, ADA, or HBAR? That's tough to say, man. Brandon, thanks so much for $2. Did you understand Killer Whale's riddle? I did not. Did I miss the? Was there a riddle in there? The Trump pump? Is that what you're saying? The Trump pump? Thanks so much for the $2, Brandon. Appreciate you, man. Trump coin, they will be releasing the rest over the next 4 years. Yeah, which will cause the price to come down. If they release, it'll cause the price to come down for sure. Price will come down. Even if they release 10% back in, it'll probably take a pretty good hit in the price. Hey, Austin, your thoughts on fights last night? I mean, the Merab fight was great. I loved the Merab fight. The main event was a joke. We got screwed over on the main event. I'll just say that. But well worth it for the Merab fight for sure. And the Jamil Hill fight. So this could go to $1, and that wallet still sat on 800 million. Y'all should just send him checks. True. Yeah, the Merab fight was really good. How long you been in crypto? I don't know. A while. I don't know how long have I been going? I don't know. How long have I been in here? It feels like forever. I started in crypto in 2018, 19, just like, having fun with like Ethereum and that kind of stuff. And then probably around like 2020, I started like dinking around. And then 2021 is where I started really buying in crypto, like buying up a lot. And then 2022 is when I started making content on it. So that's kind of where I've been, I guess. Oh, how much would could a, oh, gotcha. I totally did not get that, dude. I appreciate the $2, bro. That's funny. Dude, I totally missed that. You're looking for a solid investment. XRP is a good one, but not overnight. True. It's not overnight. That is true. It's up to 320 now, though, dude, and HBAR is up to 36 again. So, yeah, we're roughly about 8 minutes away from another 4-hour candle here. So we'll see what this next 4-hour candle could do. Yeah, every time we hit this 4-hour candle right here back on Friday, we hit the 4, we came down. So right here from on the noon, right when we hit noon, right here, here's noon, we went up and then we came down and then we came up at the 8 o'clock and then around noon we came down. So here we're on the up one. So does that mean that the noon one we're going to come down? Maybe. Seems to be the trend. Seems to be the trend. Can you look into Shadow Token? I don't even know what that is. We do love. I appreciate you, Rita Burrito. Good to see you, buddy. XLM will go fast. Yeah. Yeah, you get Trump coin. You get Trump coin on Coinbase and Robinhood. It's gonna be game over, dude. It's gonna be game over, without question. I'm making declarations based on my intuitive impressions with zero evidence. What's up, Starseed? A meme coin named official Satoshi. I saw heavy gains. Yeah, everything's official now. Everyone's just copying Trump. Official this, official that. So, Mr. Beast launch confirmed. I was the first to post Trump and will be the first to post Mr. Beast coin. So Mr. Beast launching a coin now. I don't know if I believe that. Unless Mr. Beast actually comes out and posts it on his thing, I wouldn't touch anything. Like I said, if Mr. Beast comes out and puts his contract on his Twitter page, game on. But yeah, not unless that happens. What do you mean when you say game over? Oh, I'm saying like it's gonna do well. Game over, like boom. It's gonna be like boom. Game over in positive sense. Like we're gonna do well. It's gonna do well, yeah. What do you think of Luna Classic? I honestly don't care anymore. I hope people that are in it still are doing well, but I mean that's an outplayed. I mean, there's too much conflict with the validators and everything going on there. I don't think they can make up their mind. Unfortunately, it's kind of a sad deal. Yeah, Luna Classic. Yeah, I kind of feel bad about that whole scenario. It just seems like no one's winning with that one. It's done well. I mean, it's doing well. It's come back up from where we were at, so it is what it is. I wouldn't touch Mr. Beast coin. Yeah, I probably wouldn't either. Why have almost 2/3 of people watching not hit the like button? What's up, Bugstown? Even if it was Mr. Beast coin, yeah, I would agree, James Bond. Dang, you hit 80K followers. I remember when you had 70K followers last month. I know, just killer well. That's what I was saying. We hit 10K followers in a month. Super happy about that. Yeah, hitting 80K. I think roughly we're at what? Let's see here. We're at 80,281 as of today. So, dude, super excited and appreciate everyone, like I said, being here. And 80,000 subscribers is crazy. Yeah, I don't even know what to say except that's amazing. Yeah, next big one. We'll throw if we hit 100,000, we'll throw a big celebration party on stream. Amanda going up, yeah. XRP going up and up. Becky, thanks so much for the $5, dude. I started learning crypto 10 months ago and I want to purchase XRP, XCN, and HBAR today. Is Coinbase best for a newbie? Yeah, Coinbase is the best exchange for me personally. I think it's the easiest, it's the best to use. And again, they don't pay me to say that. I wish they did. But yeah, Coinbase is legit, dude. I prefer it. So I could see nearly all SEC cases getting dropped overnight. Dude, 100% Kev. Without question. All the SEC cases are going bye-bye. Fresh slate starting tomorrow. Coinbase out the door. Binance out the door. We're going to get Binance.us back here, which I will be so excited for. If we get Binance.us back here, Oh my gosh, I'll be so excited, dude. The leverage trading over there, those platforms, and plus like their trade platform is so much better than Coinbase. So yeah, I'd probably be totally on board with the Binance.us coming back here, at least here in Washington. Ever since I made money on XCN, it isn't worth anything. Have you seen the movie Baking Off Bitcoin? I have not. And Becky, thanks so much for the $5 donation. Really, really appreciate that. You just dumped XCN. All right. All right. What do you think about Starlink? I don't know. Starlink coins, that's probably not the real Starlink. Well, I can't use Kraken, David. Kraken's not allowed in Washington State. So yeah, unfortunately, I can only use crypto.com, Uphold, and Coinbase, and Coinbase is kind of the best one out of all three of those. So you think your parents knew you were awesome before they called you awesome? Well, that's kind of how I got my name, was playing sports, as I was always called Awesome Austin. And then one of fans' friends growing, when we first met, he thought my name was Awesome. So it was just always kind of like funny how it all worked out. But yeah, that's kind of where it all came from. I was so sad I missed the Trump opportunity. It's okay, Amanda. You'll get another opportunity somewhere. Yeah, we saw that. Listen to its Coinbase listing roadmap, but it hasn't listed yet. So we'll probably see. There'll probably be a rally if when it gets listed on Coinbase, we'll probably see a pump for sure. A lot of money could inflow. I'm in Arizona and I use Kraken Pro just fine. Yeah, it's just Washington. Washington restricts it. Washington State. It's kind of lame. Binance.us is up and running. Yeah, I don't think it's up, and I don't think I can use it. I don't think you can actually do some trades on there. I just smashed Austin like a whole. Binance only restricted because of the FTX stuff. I know. What do you think expected for BTC dominance starting? It's going to be interesting. Is the dominance going down right now? Yeah, it did come down pretty hot right here. Yeah, Bitcoin dominance did come down. How well mediocre Austin sounds. We got about 2 minutes before we get the next candle here. I don't trust any political coins, to be honest. They give me rug pull energy. I just don't see Trump rug pulling. It'd be crazy. Average Austin just doesn't cut it. Hey, welcome to the Average Austin show. Oh, you're in Washington? Nice, dude. We got a lot of Washingtonians in here. A ton of Washingtonians. I was actually kind of shocked at how many Washingtonians we had. That's pretty crazy. If you had an extra 2,000, would you put it in right now, even this high? In what? Which one, Steven? Which one are we talking about? I did not see that he changed his profile name. Can you give your prediction for XRP in 2025? I mean, I'm hoping that we hit $7. That's kind of my goal I've stuck to. We're about 1 minute away from the 4 hour, so let's see what the new 4 hour candle brings. This last hour has been a nice candle. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. See what the next 4 hour brings here. We tend to have going into the we tend to go 2, then red, then 2, then red. So we'll see. Yeah, this will be interesting. Yesterday at the 12 hour mark, we came down. So we'll see what happens here. Jason, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome and thank you very, very much. Portland in the house. Heck yeah, dude. Portland's great. No, Washington for me, it's too cold. It is cold here, dude. Wales, UK, that's nice. Tucson here. Yeah, we got a lot of people in here. Hey, Austin, if you pick, here we go. We just got a new candle coming in. New candle. We'll see where it goes here in the next 5 minutes. Austin, if you could pick the top 3 altcoins to invest in right now, just what we've been covering: XRP, HBAR, XLM. Trump doesn't need a rug. I'm down here in Pioneer Square. Oh, dude, Jocelyn, that's awesome. Seattle. I grew up in Washington. Sweet, dude. Washington actually have a recognizable accent. We sound like stoners. That's where probably the dude comes from. Dude. JDM, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Appreciate that a ton. Thank you very, very much. Oh, these right here, this is just your volume indicator. So just go over here to indicators, and then just come over here to visible range volume profile. That's how you get these volumes over here. 50K long on XRP, but oh my God, that's some risky. Man, hey man, scare money don't make money. So good luck to you, buddy. That's a lot. Bitty Bitcoin, John Denver. But I'll probably be on here for like 5 more minutes, guys. We'll see how it's already coming up here nicely. So that's good to see on HBAR. Same with, look at this, dude. We filled up this nice fair value gap right here. We're working our way back up. So we'll see what this actually does here. You can see right here, we'll have a nice little 324 seems to be like a little bit of some resistance maybe. So we'll see if we can get above that 324 marker right there for XRP. But yeah, charts are looking good coming into tomorrow, guys. Charts are looking really good. It's easy to make thousands of dollars from crypto in a bull market. In a bear market, not so much. Bybit's okay. I don't use it. Brandon, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Austin, let's do a meet and greet for the Pacific Northwest locals. Yeah, we could probably do that sometime. Maybe like in the summertime when it's nice and warm versus like when it's freezing cold. Find a good spot to meet up or something like that. We do have a lot of people here in the Northwest. I was kind of shocked at how many people we had. I told you all Trump wouldn't pay a penny for his BTC. I'd love to. Yeah, it'd be cool. It'd be cool. We have to find a good spot when it's warm. I would drive 40 hours to be there. Would you? All right. Austin, come to Austin. Dude, I've been to Austin. Austin's wild, dude. We'll meet up on 6th Ave or 6th Street. The place is wild, dude. Thanks again for another awesome stream. Oh, thank you, Corey. It will be here tomorrow. I'll be here on early tomorrow, guys. So I hope you guys all come on tomorrow. Depending on how the day turns out, I might come on tonight. It's actually pretty sunny out today right now, so I might go out and play some soccer. So we'll see how tonight goes. But we'll see where the charts are going for tonight. Maybe prep for tomorrow morning. See where things are at. And yeah, we have a big day, big day tomorrow, man. So I hope everyone's prepared and finding their positions. And if you're new to crypto, hopefully you get in and you at least get your feet wet. So. Got to meet up in the middle in Vegas. XRP is creeping up. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. I would drive up in my caddy. I gotta take a look at that. So many barbecue joints. Yeah, I know. It did have a lot of barbecue joints in Austin. I love barbecue too. But yeah, Leonard, thank you so much for the 99-cent donation to the channel, man. I appreciate that a ton. But with all that, I hope you guys have a fantastic day on this Sunday, and we'll be back here tomorrow early morning. I'll probably start my stream at like 7 a.m. I'll probably stream most of the day, so it'll probably be a pretty long stream. So pack your bags, bring your snacks, and yeah. With all that, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for the 80K YouTube subscribers. I appreciate that a ton. And with all that, we're out. Peace out, everyone. Love you guys.